Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to switch from Amazon Prime to Amazon Prime Student. If you're a student looking to save money while still enjoying all the benefits of Prime, this is a great way to access exclusive discounts and a lengthy trial period. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign into your account. After you've logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Account. This will take you to your main account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Amazon profile. Once you're on the account page, look for the option labeled Prime and click on it. This is where you'll find all the details about your current Prime membership, including billing information and membership settings. Now, here's an important thing to understand. You generally can't switch an existing Prime membership directly to Prime Student within your current account settings. Instead, Amazon's process requires you to visit the Prime Student sign-up page, sign in there, and enroll if you meet the eligibility requirements. Amazon will guide you through this transition to ensure you qualify as a student. On the Prime page, scroll down until you find a section that mentions 18 to 24-year-olds and students. Go ahead and click on that option. This will direct you to the Prime Student landing page where you can explore the benefits and begin the enrollment process. Next, click on Verify as a Student. This is the crucial step that confirms your student status and unlocks access to a 6-month trial of Prime Video, along with other student-exclusive perks. It's a fantastic deal if you're currently enrolled in a qualifying institution. You'll now be prompted to enter all the necessary information to verify your student status. This includes details such as your enrolled university, your expected graduation year, your first and last name, and your date of birth, including the month, day, and year. Make sure all this information is accurate, as Amazon will use it to confirm your eligibility. After filling in your details, you'll need to select your payment method. Even though you're getting a trial period, Amazon requires payment information on file. Once you've chosen your preferred payment option, click Continue. Amazon will then process your information and verify your student status. This might take a moment, so be patient while the system confirms everything. And there you have it. You've successfully enrolled in Amazon Prime Student and can now enjoy all the benefits at a discounted rate. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.